What if stories could connect cultures across time and space? Welcome to the world of Japanese and Indian literature.
In Japanese literature, is a poetry and emotion. High schools capture nature in just 7 syllables.
From the tale of Genji, the world's first novel, to Bushido's Code of Honor, Japanese stories remind us of beauty, discipline, and respect.
Meanwhile, in Indian literature, speaks of wisdom and internal truth. The Mahabharata and Ramayana are not just epics, they are guides to life.
Ancient fables and poetry teach us dharma, living with purpose, courage, and kindness.
Through different Japanese and Indian literature share a powerful message, respect for life, the search for meaning, and
Discover it and be